Here, have him back up. I would have him stay more to the right.
Here we go. Here we go. Very good. There you go. There we go.
On a little overland trip with my buddy Alex, we're gonna find a camping spot. We're pretty much on Virginia, close to Shenandoah, and getting closer towards West Virginia. Came up this mountain trail, didn't see any camping spots, so we gotta turn back around and go 33 minutes to an actual camp spot. We got Alex, the Hilux Surf professional cook. He's out here
What up, guys?
camping, cooking up some real good meat. Cast iron skillet action. We got this fire going like in less than 2 minutes. Got his grill set up in less than 5. Eating good over here in George Washington National Forest. Holding it down.
This week's adventure.
You, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear
I, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, do solemnly swear
that you will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of your ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
So help you God.
So help me God.
Driver.
See water coming out the front. It's funny.
Is that in your bumper?
Yeah.
Okay, you can make it. You can make it. Just come straight towards me. So right where your wheels are. Keep going. There you go. He's right there. You're right there. I'm gonna slip more that way. There's nowhere else for you to go to the right. There you go. There you go. There you go. Are you locked? I am. Do you have a rear locker? No, mid. All right. Center. Right there.
Lexus Land Cruiser going up, followed by the Forerunner. Now, we got Alex behind me, and I got the lockers on, crawling up. We're over here in Virginia. We got Coast Guard members that are not only on land, we're also in the water, but currently we're over here wheeling, doing some little rock crawling stuff, testing out the capabilities. Hilux Surf off-road. Can't see it, but it's so dirty. Those are those King suspensions, looking nice, getting dirty.